Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn WordPress Scanner, which is auxiliary module in Metasploit. The WordPress _ scanner module detects WordPress installation and their version number. Let's open up terminal and type msf console. Type use auxiliary /scanner /http /WordPress _ scanner. Type info. You can see that module information, basic options as rhost, remote host address, threads. Let's set rhost as 107.180.54.186.24. Set threads 255. Let's execute it. You can see that it scans all IP address between 107.180.54.0 to 55. You can see WordPress banner and its version number. Using this number, you can get vulnerability reports and hack. So that's it in this video on WordPress Scanner auxiliary module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.